Dude, the color looks off. It's like pale. Dude, I have the high ground right.
I shot you so hard you flew through the map!
Hey James, I dare you to get that sword.
You do?
Yeah. I was about to say if you actually got it, I would kill myself.
I could not have done that any fucking worse.
You know what? Fuck it.
You know what? Fuck you. Oh no. We're in the Old West. Stop fucking humping it.
I'm trying to shoot. I'm trying to blow it up. Dude, shoot it.
Yeah, sure.
Dude, it's not. It's floating away. The barrel is floating away.
Not on my screen.
Hey, dude.
I am the captain.
I just jumped.
I am the captain now. Whoa! How are you hitting me?
No. Ah!
What?
You killed yourself.
That's it. No, I thought it would kill you first before it
Hey,
killed
dude,
me.
I'm gonna commit suicide.
I'm in the map. Help! Help me!
You are insane.
You threw it straight up and I got hit in the face with it.
That's not.
No.
Fuck.
Snake!
Ah! Yeah!
What do you mean yes, I won?
I'm colorblind.
I shot once!
I'm not going down there. I'd rather die by you than snakes. So I'm going up here. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of here.
No.
Dude, let's try and break the game.
No!
Dude, hold on. This match, let's try and break the game.
How?
Let's try and get in the ground. I'm doing sit-ups. Work it out. It's sucking my dick. It's sucking my dick. It's sucking my dick. It was sucking my dick, dude.
I thought this thing was your dick.
Oh yeah, it is. It's way bigger though. Working out. Fuck.
You did a fucking front flip!
What? That box just went flying on its own. Fuck.
Dude, look at my position, I'm like a ninja. I'm like doing the Naruto
It's
run.
like you're jacking yourself off while jumping. Oh, don't touch the lava!
I like lava. Where'd you... You okay?
Nope. I'm dead.
You're right!
Oh, you can go under here?
Yes, sir!
Fuck! You almost killed yourself!
Wait, you can go under here? Yes, sir! Just jumps over.
Oh, fuck! Hey, I'm going down here, see ya.
I am the captain now.
Hey, dude, tomorrow, do you want to get Grant in here?
I mean, sure. Oh, tomorrow I kind of want to, like, do something.
Tomorrow night?
Ha!
What about, so what?
My
what do you
name?
do?
Ah! Wait, what?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I want to fucking go out.
No, I mean tomorrow night, dude, like at 10.
No, I mean, like, go out with, like, people. I don't know.
What? Yeah, but if you don't.
Sure. I mean, we'll probably do it regardless.
Yeah, because we have no lives. Oh,
Pretty much.
dude, I had a staring contest with this kid in school, and I won. I had 2 staring contests with a kid in school. I won both times, and then my friend said that it's because I only look at screens all day. I've learned to
Pretty
not
much.
blink.
I've learned how to not.
Hey, dude, I broke my neck.
I'm good. Hold on, let me fix up for you.
Ah! Oh, fuck. Hey, dude, stay in there.
Oh my god! I threw you off the screen. So how you doing?
Should one of us get that gun down there?
I don't know. If you
Hey,
want.
dude, you want to get the pizza later?
Let me just get out of here.
Fuck! No!
What happened?
Dude, which
Wait,
one of us
what'd
is
you
gonna have the
do?
high ground? I fell into the spikes.
You didn't even fall on my screen.
I shot the chains and then fell off. Hey, I'm gonna stand here the whole time. No.
No.
Oh, what? It spawned us in the things. Hey, dude.
No, you need to like go. No, you need
Oh,
to
shit!
get out of. No, you need to get out of there.
I was wondering why this map looked unfamiliar. Oh, it's this. Dude, which one is one of? Oh, I guess you have the high ground. Never mind. I have the high ground, Anakin. Oh no, it's this.
Let me. I wanna go over there. No, I really want to go over there.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, here it is.
whoever gets it wins. Because we're doing 1v1. Fuck. 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 You, I wanna get it.
Fuck your mother.
Fuck.
Fuck your mother.
We're doing Halloween maps. What the fuck? Those
I
clouds
miss
just
the old-
appeared.
I miss the old days.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
How? What?
Dude, I'm in the Terminator.
That game.
Hey, dude, remember when I was the Spung King?
Yes.
That's what I am now. That's why I won. You shot me out of existence. You shot me out of existence. Dude, let one of us should get it this time.
I don't know about that, but. No, I said no. I said no. I said no. I said no.
Oh, I can rap. Hey, dude. come
No,
back
I said
here.
no. I said no. No,
Shit,
I said
I'm
no.
being
No. I said no.
Dude, what if I killed myself at that point?
That would have been pretty bueno.
Pretty.
Bueno.
Hey, dude, do pilot voice. Do ear rape.
No. No.
Dude, ear rape me. No, put your mic in your mouth, like I do.
No. I don't really feel like it.
Oh, really?
Hey, it's a thing.
Hey, I'm gonna grab this gun. Hey, you shot it out of my hands! Hey, dude, do you want to join an online match?
I don't know.
So we can team up and kill the others.
No.
Oh, there's a snake pistol. That was my plan all along. Oh, we're getting these. Hey. Oh god, it's this one. Hey dude, do you want to just dance? Without killing each other? I can't pick this up.
No.
Dude, fuck. Shit. Yo, let me know if you want to join an online match. So we can team up and kill those people.
I want that. No, I like really want that.
Hey, I'm
no, I
gonna-
like want that. I want that. The gun's in my face!